How's it going, everyone? Eagle Eye Picking here, and we have in our vise the Assa V10. It has barrels, so it's 6 barrels and 5 side pins. I got this one in a mail call this weekend, along with the Assa Twin 6K with barrels as well. And I got the Assa 700, which is just a beautiful looking lock. And it's the black belt version that it has 2 gens, 2 trees, and tapered pins. And then I got the Australian bilock with 2 cores, and Side Picks generously sent me the mortise cylinder. So I bought 2 of the cores from someone, and then Side Picks sent me the mortise cylinder so I can actually pick them. So big shout out to Side Picks for doing that for me. That is awesome. And this weekend I was working on the bilock. Got a little frustrated with it. So I switched it up. Once I got the V10 Monday, I decided to switch up and try to pick the V10. It is the first lock I've done with a sidebar in it. So it's definitely interesting. But this one's going to be a little slower pick. Like I said, I started working on it 2 days ago. So hopefully we can get it open. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so we got the V10 in the vise. Key works good. It goes in better than it comes out. And we're going to be using a 50,000th. It's a little loose in the keyway in the top, but it works. And we'll just go with the Covert Instruments short flat for the top pins. So this is my first barrel lock as well, so it's a lot of new ones for me. But what I have found is just go through each pin and get the barrel to the short part, the little thinner diameter. So you just go through and just kind of get them all up to that position. Once they're all up there, you'll get into the tiniest falset. And there's a crazy girl coming in here in just a second, so you might hear some yelling. I hear ya. So the back 4 pick a little more normally, but these front 2 are very high lifts, and I feel like those have to be set a little later. Okay, so now I'm on pin 1. And like I said, it is a high lift pin. Trying to do it without a big hook to practice when I start working on speed picking this, to not have to switch out my pick, which takes more time than it is worth. I think I got the top. I landed in a false set. So let me check the bottoms here. All right. All right, I let go of the side bar, and we are starting that side pins over again. Alright, let me get my short out and see if that helps at all.
Papa Pig.
Mm-hmm. Alright, one more attempt to the sidebar here. Sometimes I can do this sidebar fairly quickly, and then sometimes it takes me a long time. Whew. Perseverance right there. So, I did get it open. There we go. We're going to take this out of the vise. With this one, we are going to lock it back up. So with barrels, they are symmetrical. We're going to take this back piece off. Actually, let's leave that on there for now. I'm going to use the top of the cylinder here. And we're gonna get all my springs out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like I said, we're gonna stick all these up top. I'll put the sidebar underneath. So I'm going to turn that sideways, and we are going to get these barrels out. Like I said, orientation isn't too big of a deal with these, because I'll get a close-up of them. They're all symmetrical, so stick that one there. We'll get those out. Alright, so all the barrels are out. Now we can unscrew the back plate here. I wish I had that little tool to get it out, but I don't. Take that out. There we go. And I'll take out each of these. As you can tell, the tops are all flat. So the orientation on all 6 of those are correct as well. We're going to get these out. That's 2. I'll get a close-up of all of these. 3. 4. 5. And 6. There you go. And we can take out this sidebar, and I'll give you a close-up of this. And you can see all the little cuts in it for the true gates. And I'm gonna take out those two springs. I'll use tweezers for it. Well, one of them did fall out for that. So those two little springs. And then we'll take these out one by one. The spring was stuck in the little capsule of that one. This one as well. Alright, let me get those last little springs out. There we go. And then I'll show you the milling inside this chambers. You can see those little threads there. Alright, and then we'll do a close-up of these pins. So it is 6 barrels and then the 5 side pins. Alright. Now the hard part of getting this back together and starting to work on a speed pick on it. Thank you.